This is what's happened to my beetle. Mirror's completely and come off. Just come out of this. So what I need to do is replace this for a new one that I've sourced. My beetle is a Jap spec left-hand drive, and this car is currently in Dubai. So I've ordered the parts from eBay. They've come from the States. So I'm going to talk you guys through everything. There is I don't know if you can see, I'm not on much light here, but there are a couple of things you need to do down here. Just get a torch. Right. Firstly, this door handle cover needs to come off, and then down here there are some screws, about 3 or 4 of them, which need to come off. And hopefully I should get the panel off, so I'm going to get on and do that. My car's got these upgraded VW door locks, so I'm going to remove them as well first. It'll make it easier for me to take everything out. I've removed the door handle cover. It just simply came off just by pulling on it gently. It comes off. There's a couple of screws here. These will need to come out. Alright. I'll get this panel off and I'll talk you guys to the next stage. Right, that's my door card off. I've left it hanging from the wires right now. It just simply comes out from the edges. Just have to use your fingers and just tug a little bit gently and it should come out. Now, I think I've noticed a small problem. Because I've got power folding mirrors on this car, and the kit, the mirrors I've ordered, they don't come with a power folding. They've not got a power folding motor. This black block you see here with the red cable, I believe that's the power supply for the power folding mirrors. But right now I'm not too bothered about that because I don't really need it. It's an old car and it's just to go from A to B. The main one is this green connector here, which the other kit that I've got has got, so it shouldn't be a biggie. Right, this is the cable going up to the power cable for the motor for the mirror glass to move around. It's going up here through this door here. So now I'm going to remove that. This should just simply come away, like so. It's a bit sticky here. That'll come away like that. So I'm going to get on with this. I'm going to remove the door mirror now. I might leave this door card hanging. You can disconnect it from here. So this is the door latch here. There's a hook there. That. And then there's only one connector for the power window here. Alright. Okay, I'll get on with this and I'll see you guys shortly. This is what I've just removed. This trim, which goes around the hinge. There was one screw here, so this would be sitting like this, right? And there was a screw just there, which is this one here, this hole you can see. Then there was one underneath here. So what I've done is I undone this one first, and undone that one, and then gently removed it off, and it came off quite easily. Now the next challenge is to remove this off this, including the mounting. So we've got 3 nuts to undo, or 3 screws to undo, 1, 2, and then there's one hidden at the back of the hinge, which I think is going to be pretty tricky to get to, but it's just here. Let's work out a way. I'll get that done and I'll show you the next step. Alright, as you can see, I've got my trusty Allen key, and it'll just unscrew out like this. So I'll do that 3 times. Remembering to keep the screws, losing them. Sorry about the shaky shot, I'm trying to multitask. I think these first 2 are fairly easy to take off. It's the other one that's going to be the issue. So now the third one. How do we get to that? Right, let's open the door out. You can get it from this side. Nope, no access. Looks like it's going to have to be right here. Give the door open. Oh man. Let me get this one done and then I'll come back to you. What I've done is to get the third screw out, I had to use a wrench like this at an angle with the door open like this, like it is now, and it is off. Right, so it's completely off here, as you can see. Right, so I need to now remove this trim here. Just got to find the screws for that. And once that's off, I should be able to gain access to the cable that's running into the door and remove it. So I'll do that next, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Right, next stage is we've got to remove two strips, two weather strips, one on the inside, one on the outside. The inside I've completely removed, outside I've partially removed, as you can see. And then there's a for the window there's a rubbing strip here which comes away, and behind it you'll find some screws to undo. 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to undo them now. That should allow me to set this free, and then we'll go to the next stage. Right, on my car I've got a wind deflector here. Right, it's getting in the way a little bit, so I'm not going to pull on it too much, but as you can see there's a bit of foam. There's 2 screws actually, not 3, sorry, and the cable's running up through the hole, through the hole here at the back. So feed the wire through, pull it out, and that's the door mirror free.